So Joe has cleared off that swale of grass, and we are going to plant potatoes before the storm comes. There is tornado watches today, so we are going to try to hurry up and get them in there before it rains.
Ready to do some storm planting?
Storm planting. So he ran the tiller through here.
Yeah, I did.
And it looks really good.
Thanks.
Good job. Good job.
How close do you need supposed to be?
I think they need to be a foot apart, but let me check. So I've got a couple crates of seed potatoes that have been dried and put in ash. And we're gonna do 30 to 36 inch rows, 12 to 15 inches apart.
Yep.
Okay. He's trying to get the hay over here. Watch out. Watch out. Just put it right here. Now, ideally, I would have wanted to soak all this, but because it's going to rain, thank you so much for watching. We hope that our story encourages somebody to buy dirt, not diamonds. Until next time, we'll see you soon.